Hi guys, this is Chris here at Jaztime.com. Today we have a brand new Rolex Datejust 31mm watch. This is a model number 178240. This watch has been modified and it has a custom diamond white mother pearl dial and also a custom diamond bezel. I'm going to talk to you about this beautiful piece, go over the dial, the bezel, movement, bracelet, buckle, and also where you can get it for the lowest price. This model reference number again for this watch is 178240. It's a Datejust 31mm case from here to here, from my thumb to my index finger here. It's one of the most popular sizes that Rolex has to offer, especially for ladies here. Right now, this is the most popular size, 31mm. As of January 2018, Jaztime is offering this watch for only $6,900, complete with the modification to the dial and the bezel. This watch has a custom white mother pearl diamond dial with 10 diamonds for the hour markers. It's a really clean look for this watch. The watch looks even better with this diamond bezel around the dial. It's a mother pearl dial. Now that does shine about 7 different shades. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yes, there are 7 different shades of white mother pearl here and there. It is a natural substance, so every mother of pearl dial is going to be different and unique in their own way. Now the movement that runs this 31mm watch is a caliber 2235 movement. It offers a date function here at the 3 o'clock position and also a quick date adjustment, so you can cycle through the date really quickly like so. I'll pull out the crown here, put it in the 2nd position, and you'll see it cycle through the date really quickly. You can pop that crown back in, twist it clockwise, and it'll hermetically seal the watch again so it's water resistant for you. It's a really good looking watch. Now this movement has a 50-hour power reserve. You could leave it overnight, maybe even 2 days without having to wind it, and you'll still be running when you put it back on your wrist. The bracelet we see here is a Jubilee bracelet. There's 5-piece links. Has a satin finish on the side links. And on the center 3 links, you have a high polished mirror finish. You can see really closely, this is actually a hidden deployment on this watch. You can't see the deployment buckle or anything like that. But what you do see here is a crown, which actually allows you to open up that deployment. So you can pop that on your wrist. I'll just wear this on my wrist so you can see what it looks like on the wrist. It's the perfect watch for most ladies, and we get a lot of calls regarding their interest in our 31mm Datejust. This is probably one of the most popular variations of this model in white mother of pearl with the Jubilee bracelet. Now at a Rolex retailer, you can get the original model with everything factory. That model is a 178384. It has factory diamond dial and a factory diamond bezel. That retails for $15,950 currently, and you can buy that model for Jaztime for as low as $13,600. But what we've done here is we've taken the 178240 model, which is a base model 31mm watch, and we've added that aftermarket dial and diamond bezel. So you're looking at roughly half the cost of one with everything factory from Rolex. I hope you liked this video, and if you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos of the latest and greatest that Jaztime has to offer, please subscribe. We have the lowest prices and offer a 1-year warranty with your purchase. Thank you for watching. This is Chris at Jaztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jaztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jaztime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.